Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to delete a document from an index in Elasticsearch. Let's demonstrate how this works by showing you an example. Say that we have an index called myIndex. Inside this index, we added 3 documents. Each document is assigned a unique ID. The delete operation expects 2 arguments, the index where the document that you want to delete exists and the ID of that document. If we give the delete operation myIndex and the ID number 1, then this operation will successfully delete that document from the index. On the other hand, if we provide the delete operation with an ID that does not exist, it will throw an exception. This is all you need to know about the delete operation, but if you want to read more, check out the docs from here. Now let's see how to delete documents in Python. Make sure to open this notebook. You can see that once again I am pointing to the documentation. Click here to read this if you want. First of all, we need to connect to Elasticsearch. Make sure that the Docker container is running. After that, here I am creating an index, as we already do. Here I am using that dummy data just to load some documents and insert them to this index. Here I have only 3 documents and here are the IDs, okay? So I made sure that I store the ID for each document because I will be using it later. Okay, so this is just a preparation. Now let's see how to delete documents. So the first example shows you how to delete documents successfully. Here you can see that we use the delete method and we give it 2 arguments, the index as well as the ID. Here I am taking the first document or the ID for the first document and I am using it to delete it. So if I run this cell and the cell after it, you can see that here it says that the result is deleted, which means that we were able to delete this document with no problems. The second example shows that if you specify an ID that doesn't exist in the index, it will throw an exception. So here I am using the try except block to catch that exception. And as you can see here, it says that the document was not found. We arrived at the end of this video. I hope that it was helpful. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you like. See you next time.